Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video, I will explain step by step how can we download Mendeley software and how can we install and add Mendeley in Microsoft Office. Open any browser and type Mendeley and click on this Mendeley official website. Official website of Mendeley will open and here click on download option. In the next window, click on Download for window and then click on Start Download. Downloading will start and wait until this downloading completed. Now click on Open. Select any one option and then click on Install. Wait until this installation is completed and then click on Finish. The Mendeley is successfully installed. Open the Mendeley software and in the Mendeley interface, you have to put your email address and click on Continue. In the next page, we have to put the password of the Mendeley account. And then click on Sign In. And Mendeley is opened with my account.